Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss about Hanton studies. So, Hanton studies led to the development of the human relations movement in business management. The experiment was about measuring the impact of different working conditions by the company itself, such as levels of lighting, payment system, and hours of work on the output of the employees. So, this study was initially performed to check out the working condition which are provided by the organizations towards the employees, how they are going to have an impact or effect on the human resources. So the Hanton studies was conducted under 4 experiments. In the last session we have discussed about first 2 experiments. In this session I will cover the remaining 2 experiments. One is mass interviewing program and the other one is bank wiring observation room experiments. In this experiment, mass interviewing program, the experiment was conducted in an interview setup to determine the employees' attitudes towards the company, supervision, insurance plans, promotions, and wages. Here they follow 2 types of interviews. One is the structured one, and the other one is the unstructured one. So, in the structured interview, they followed the method of asking direct questions to the employees who are working inside an organization. In this, they got as a result, they could not find out the grassroots of the problem, what is actually prevailing inside the organization. Then they followed the unstructured pattern. Here, they used the method of asking the employees to discuss freely about their issues. Here, they got to know about the employees' attitudes towards the companies. So, out of this experiment, they have found out some 10 findings. So, we'll discuss what are the findings of the mass interviewing program experiment. The first one is supervisors came to know about what is expected out of him by the workers who are working under his control. So, male workers who are working inside the organization are more economically oriented compared to the female workers. The next finding is, if a worker is complaining anything about anything inside the organization, it is actually because of the personal disturbance which he is facing inside the workplace. The next finding is, many problems of worker management cooperation were the result of emotional attitudes of workers rather than of objective difficulties in the situation. So, a satisfaction or dissatisfaction of an employee who is working inside an organization is purely dependent on his social status and expected social rewards. So, the next findings include, the personal situation of the worker is arising out of mode of arrangement of his sentiments, desires, and interests. Next, the position or status of a worker in a company gives a basis to the events, objects, and features of his hours of work and his wages. A moral booster can be felt inside the organization once they could feel the management attention towards themselves. A social demand for a worker is influenced by gaining experience both inside and outside the working place. So, finally, they found out that an individual behavior inside the organization is purely influenced by the group behavior. The next experiment is bank wiring observation room experiment. So, in this experiment, they have put some 14 male workers into a group, and the 14 male workers are of types. Out of these 14 male workers, 9 were wiremen, 3 were soldiers, and 2 were inspectors. So, these 14 male workers were put into an experiment room, and here is where we are going to test our experiment. So, the aim of this experiment is to analyze how group could influence a worker to restrict his output even in the face of attractive incentive scheme for larger output. Consider if we are provided with a group incentive scheme for giving larger output, we'll work with full enthusiasm and all our effort, right? But in this experiment, they are going to test, even though the organization provides them with a group incentive scheme for larger output, how we can restrict the workers of an employee. This is the aim of the bank wiring observation room experiment. Here they have used the methods of giving hourly rate of wages and group bonus schemes depending on the average group output, and the company have not improved any of the working condition inside the organization, and they are not ready to analyze the cause of relationship also. So here general observations are made on both the individual behavior and the group behavior. So what are the observations made under this experiment? The first one is unemployment problem. So unemployment problem means workers feel that if they produce more, a few workers among them would be put out of employment. So the second one is unduly high standard. Most of the workers were of the view that if they had reached the standard level of production, the management would raise the standard level of production still more unscrupulously. The third one is protection of slow workers. The workers were friendly on the job as well as off the job. They are friendly within themselves. So they told that the fellow workers have the responsibility which required them to remain in the job. So the fast workers protected the slow workers by slowing down their production. If they did not do so, slow workers were likely to be retrenched. The fourth observation is satisfaction of management. Workers were confident of the management accepting lower production. In other words, management seemed to accept the lower production rate and no one was being punished for lower production. So what are the result of this experiment? They have found out that informal relationship is responsible for the human behavior inside the organization, and the counseling is required in case of management employee conflicts, and the existence of informal organization is common all over the organization, and the group had fixed the standard output of their own only because of social pressure. The output could not be increased despite group incentive scheme as a result of social pressure. So we have discussed in detail about the mass interviewing program and the bank wiring observation experiment. Thank you. I hope you all have understood. Have a great day.